I'm so happy. I'm well rested. We're back in the office, everybody, because the next 48 hours for crypto and Shiba Inu, it's going to be really cool. And I hope you guys are all excited for this coming week, as it seems that the technical analysis, the prices, we're seeing some bearish momentum. We got good news, we got bad news. The bad news is that we need more money. Empty. The good news is we're seeing more deals. You and I know are going to see higher prices, but the thing is that not many people understand that the consolidation after the Bitcoin halving. I want to touch base on that, but what is coming in 48 hours? Anyone? Well, we've been talking about that one for a month or so. Now that the Bitcoin halving is over, what is there? Inflation and the FOMC meeting, Jerome Powell, the Fed. Not saying that this is going to be the major pump or dump, but it's like crypto's already reacting, and I think it's pretty important for us to discuss. Can we go lower now under 2? I think that's difficult, but there's so many possibilities. Don't go anywhere. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Oscar Live, guys. There's a bunch of links down below if you want to support the channel. First link, log saldo indicator, buy and trade alerts, and join the $1 Crow, the 100 billion Shiba Inu army group. Trying to make sure that the Shiba Inu and the crypto community is plugged in, right? We're great, and right now 2.37 trillion, and well, we'll get into the others really quick right now. So what I'm seeing is we're seeing a triple bottom, not bad. Once again, the low 24s, we were this close of 23 right now, as I was about to make a video. So look, I agree Shiba Inu has been holding relatively nice and during and after, right, the Bitcoin halving. The only thing that we're waiting now, macro, is the FOMC, which is this one. The FOMC, which they're not going to cut rates. That's already disregarded. But what's going to happen is, well, pause or hike. It's going to be difficult for them to hike because that's a complete 100 change, understanding that inflation is actually pretty sticky and it's not leaving, right? It's not that it's huge, but it's just inflation that is not leaving, and it's going to be affecting. Plus, we got the election coming up in a few months. So I think the current president, they don't want the narrative going through the mainstream media. Now, Oscar, what does that even have to do with Shiba Inu? Well, exactly. Because if the stock market goes down, QQQ goes down, which is the index, right? It connects to Bitcoin in a way. Bitcoin goes down and then Shiba Inu goes down. So it's a whole orchestrated play, right? Shiba Inu doesn't go up or down just because it is special anymore, right? It is so connected to Bitcoin right now that whatever the market is bringing to all of us, Shiba Inu is reacting. Now, if you've been watching my previous videos, 2 to 3 videos and the previous lives that I made for you in the last 48 hours, you know what I've been buying, what I've been holding, what I've been trading, right? So it's been fun. There's a lot of volatility. It's risky. Not many people can do it. I know it's a huge risk, but I've seen some good profits so far, and I'm waiting for some key dates that'll keep you updated, guys. But for now, for Shiba Inu, I'm still holding. So go ahead and bring our BingX account. We're looking right now 43 because prices are going a little bit down right now. So we're seeing some red right now, 19% down for my Shiba Inu. Look, that got to be 1900. Now it's 5900. So 4,000 is down, right? $4,000, right? It is just the volatility, but it is just taking some time. I'm willing to wait, and I'm not adding any more Shiba Inu because I already have $1 billion, so I'm good, right? I already have positions that I'm willing to take and risk it for the bull market. But Shib, you and I gotta be holding pretty tight. The reason is for Bitcoin to do something right now, it seems that it has to wake up. It seems that we're gonna have to wait 3-5 months, 2 to 4 months, because usually that's the trend that we see after the halving. Now that the halving has arrived and that's over, we're seeing now inflation that has to get, out of the way little by little by increasing or pausing still. What's next? Well, there's always bullish news on X. There's always bullish news when it comes to regulation, wins against, the SEC or new companies coming to Web3, product development, and even Shibarium layer 3 with leisure. So treat. So I'm happy to see product growth. And Shiba Inu, the team, Shibarium, they're not just sleeping, like it's moving. It just takes a while. What I'm waiting for is a massive, nice green candle that's going to get us to the next level. And it's going to get us closer to crushing 1-0 for Shiba Inu. For that to come, like there's a lot of comments. And let me go to my Twitter page really quickly because I posted this during the weekend. So let me find it for you. It's here. I said this on the 27th, so just yesterday. Typical comments like this make me so bullish in SHIB. The more I see them on my videos, which I'm gonna see some right down below, the greater buying opportunities. So guys, there's a lot of people, right, that say Shiba Inu is dead. And I see, a lot of people saying, but Shiba Inu is dead. Now, I get it, because how are you going to wait months to see profit when you can go to Solana, you can go to Base, you can go to Cronos Chain or some other places to trade it? But the thing is that not many people will do that, because that takes skill, that takes you to go to DeFi, and it's just more complicated, right? We can do it, but not many people will. So bottom line, what everybody's watching right now is BTC, is Litecoin, is Ethereum, is XRP, Solana, and Shiba Inu. So when we come here, they're not doing anything. In fact, who are the biggest winners? Not many people. Who are the biggest losers? Once again, with Loki, Pepe, and Shiba Inu. So, guys, we just have to get used to, right, the upcoming consolidation and speculation and manipulation. It's a combination of those three. And if you are diligently putting some positions aside that you understand the long term, that's the best game. That's the best play for us to do, right? I'm very happy to tell you, I mean, when we talk about going under, right, under the twos, because the twos, let me bring the price. The twos is right here, and we went down on the 13th, so it's not even a month, right? Now, would Shiba Inu hit us again with such of a drop, such of a huge collapse in price? Well, if that ever comes to a reality, that's the level anyone will want to get into, right? Those are the good news. I think a lot of people will see how I'm not saying bad news, Shiba Inu is going down. Good news, we got money on can. No, it's the totally opposite, right? The fact of not having money to buy those dips, those are the bad news, right? But the good news is really we're getting ahead once again by buying the dip and the blood on the street. And if you get it, guys, there's nothing more but just enjoy richness later on. So in about 48 hours, things are going to be, very probably more, expecting of what the Fed is going to do. We'll be live, and I will see you there, guys. Like and subscribe. Take a look at the links down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.